Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are smoking some fish. Yeah, we got the fire going though, you know. Yep, that's the fire. And then we're gonna chuck the charcoal off and put it to one side, and you know. We've seen this on the video. A New Zealand man, he smokes his fish, and we love smoked fish. We couldn't find the bottom part of the barbecue thing because, I don't know, when the kids dismantled it one time, who knows where they put it, and it must have gone out to the bin. So this part is from the fan over there, the electric fan. See that pile of rubbish over there? Yeah, so the fan part got put down there. I don't know how strong it is when the charcoal goes on. It could melt or whatever, I don't know. But we have to use that for now because we can't find the bottom part. But anyway, the fire's going nicely. So later on, it's gonna, bam, be smoking. It's a beautiful day. Look up there. Praise the good Lord for this beautiful day here in Sydney. Okay, see you guys later. This is what we're gonna smoke, guys. It's snapper and mullet. See, that's the mullet. New Zealand mullet is really tasty. You know, it doesn't have that, you know, that's horrible. I don't know, I shouldn't call it horrible. But yeah, but anyway, here's the snapper, guys. Don't know if it's from New Zealand, but these are nice. And other people like to smoke kawai too, but this is all we can get for now. It's better than nothing. What do you think? Yeah, the charcoal's not yet ready to be turned, I don't think, because it's still black there. The man says it's got to be all grey, so we'll wait a bit. No rush. Yaru Elvis here, mai ele me for yale. Bam! Yaru mai weird. Guys, we had to do a little adjustment just to put the extra fish on. See, now they're all gonna hang out while we put the lid on. So guess what me and my mom doing? We're eating ice cream. Yeah, I know. While we wait for the fish. My mom doing the artwork. Wow. It's gonna be on auction. The starting money starts with $10,000 for my mama's artwork. Yeah, we'll have that auction in 2000 and never mind. Makai fia kau walau artwork lihat amalnya. Ke fia kau baik kau walau pisi do akli melak kau kalso. Faye mai dia tahu. Dia kau pusing ai kun. Ni masenge. Ya. Engawa ya ka fale lo sunga. See when it's smoking like that, guys? It's doing its thing. So I better have a look. Yep. Sort of, kinda, not really. Ta-da! Get that one first. Still bubbling. Scoop this under the fish, the body of the fish. See, gotta teach these men, eh? Scoop. Yeah, let me help the. Yeah, let it out. Oh. Man, I told you scoop under, mister. Yeah, look, like this. Yeah, you hold this, I'll show you. Yeah, all about it. Ay. Look, not hard. Oh, it's a little hard. Don't start eating it. Hey, wait. Oh, look at this, guys. Wait, I want to show them. Look, guys. Oh, yeah, a bit blurry. Cooked nicely. Can you hold the tray in case it falls down, man? Oh, motorbikes. These motorbikes. Motorbike, that's not the time. Wait, Maya, they find a video like eh? Oh. Yeah, yeah. Bring the tray over here. All you're trying to do is eat before it gets there, eh? We'll kick you out, eh, Mr. Ching! This is the result, guys. But no, I'm saying, where's the other mullet? Hadu. Don't worry. No, take these inside when you go. Then you come with the mullet, put it on. Look, I'm a chef here, okay? Talofa, guys. Yeah, they will file the mukbang, okay? So the smoked fish that was made outside, I've got it here on the plate, and I've added me some oysters and a galo right there. That's like a thumbnail sort of thing. Okay, you know why I'm breathing in and out? Because I said to my mom, can you just watch the Nutty Professor and let me go and do my mukbang? She said, yeah, go. Adu. And then when I go and say hello, she's knocking on the door, trying to come in there. That old lady. She's gonna get in a minute. This is coffee, guys. I made me homemade Faye's coffee. Yeah, mate, it's Starbucks then. Had no time to get a Starbucks, guys. I made me iced coffee. Cheers. It's a big cup, huh? Just the way I like it. Yeah, anyway, get back. Let's get serious. Okay, look how fat these oysters are, guys. Look. And then I got a lemon. But first of all, I gotta give thanks, guys. Gotta do that. Done. Thank you, loving God, for the food. Now it's time to dig in. So this is like smoked snapper. I'm gonna put some bit of lemon in it. Yoo-hoo! Oh, while I'm there, I might as well sprinkle some onto the oysters. I've got some spare ones over here just in case these 5 is not enough. Okay, and I'll chop up me some galo, guys. I love galo. Do you love galo? Comment down if you love galo or Faye, or both. I love a Faye for too. Anyway, as I was saying about this smoked snapper, guys, here, have the first bite. Hey, did I put enough lemon on it? Because look. Come on, lemon. Dig in, lemon. You know. Got a bit of Sore shoulder, dude. It's training up the. Hey! Stop that. Oh, tartar sauce. I'm gonna put me some right here. So I don't have to go back and forth. Hey guys, this is a better bite because it's got some tartar sauce and a bit more lemon. Oh, moist. Yes, we done a good job. Man, hey. Yeah, and have an oyster, guys. Have an oyster. So creamy. Second one. Yeah. Always be careful with the shells, guys. Always be careful with the shells. Because you know the fishmongers, they can't get every little shell there is, but so nice and creamy. I've seen some people, they put it in their mouth, one chew, swallow. Not me. I like to pop the fatty bit down here and let it melt in my mouth. That's what I'm talking about. It's a bottle. Get back to the smoked fish. Man. My poor mum, she started to follow me around more now. But my sister's coming from Melbourne. Yeah. In 2 days. And then she can come and spend a little time with my mama. So you see, we love looking after our mum. And when she was well, she can see who love her and who don't. See? And I tell you, our actions for our mum speaks louder than empty words. There's no good for empty words, guys. You gotta look after your parents. Okay? Don't be MIA looking after them, because growing up, ooh, neighbor. That sounds like a nice car. Anyway, but when we were younger, our mum was never MIA on us. So our love should be good for her too when she's now of an age where she needs us most. A lot of tartar sauce. This smoked fish is nice, but you know what? My husband wasn't too happy because he said it didn't have that red, smoky color. You know what? Next time, just get some food colouring and go and paint it over when he's not looking. Tastes nice though. Delicious. Yep. We went down and asked the fishmonger could he butterfly it for us. And he was happy to do it. Thank you, fishmonger. Look at this, look at this. See a shell in there. So creamy. Yep. If I got me a dozen. You know, a dozen? It's not much. They mix the nice big ones with the little ones, right? So these are the little ones that I put over there. Hang on, excuse me. Oh yeah, see my hair? I'm trying to do it, you know, the flick look back in the, what's it, the 90s? Yeah, man, I'm trying to bring it back. Don't worry, it's not my dirty fingers, it's these two. So I'm trying to do that flick look, you know. Man, yeah, huh? Nice? No? Maybe. My grays. If my hairdresser saw, if she knew about my channel, she'll look it up and go, oh, look at the state of her hair. Look. This lady been busy, right? I miss you, hairdresser, but this lady been busy. More tortilla sauce. You know what, fish? Stop it. You've got a bit too much bones, okay? Look at this edge. Very sure. Yeah. I like making iced coffees. This is how I make my iced coffee. Okay? This is Faye's secret. Not even a secret. Anyway. Normally in a small cup I use like just a full teaspoon of coffee. But I made it in a, you know those measuring jugs that you use for cooking? Yeah, I put 3 teaspoons of coffee in there and about 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, and then stir with hot water. Oh, don't forget a bit of milk too, just to make it more extra creamy. I like it. Oh, you see them winty little oyster? Yeah, they mix it together with the bigger oysters. So the little boys play with the big boys. No, don't say it like that. Mix together with the big boys. Because the other way I said it. Okay. See, that's what happens when I decide just to use 1 lemon instead of bringing both cuts. Yeah. Straight in to try and get some lemon out. Oh, little oyster. Still, it tastes the same. 4 more left. I better hurry this up, man, because I have my cousin coming over to put my cake and water machine on. You know? This lady got herself a cake machine. Yeah. Well, not me anyway. My husband did. Hey, what's his is mine, what's mine is mine. Hey, let's get that right. Nah. Anyway, when we started drinking this cake and water, we weren't sure about it. But anyway, it's been good, you know? So, this really helped with my asthma. Really helped. Okay. Plus, my daughter, I don't know what's with the top of her feet. It can get rashy. Why? I don't know. I've taken her to the doctor so many times. It'll make it go away, but I don't know. The rash just loves hanging around my daughter's feet. So I think she might be allergic to the sauce. But what socks can I get? She needs socks for school. Anyway, and she likes wearing sports shoes. But I told her about the Kagan water, so she started drinking them. Guys, she tested it. For 5 days, she just drank Kagan water. She didn't use any cream. Guess what, guys? No magic. I made it go away. Anyway, so we go around and get some water from my cousin, yeah? Well, they're both my cousins. This couple. One is from my other side, and the other one's from my other side. Yeah. Long story short, is they didn't know. But they're not blood relatives. No. So, that's okay. Okay? So, yeah, and I loved them. So, I got some water from them. Tried it out, and it's helped. And there's more to it in their Kagan water. Hey, what's that? It's an expensive machine, okay? Can you imagine people start breaking into houses just to steal Kagan machines? Hey, I get you, you're gonna get splashed with the Kagan water. It might clean your bad heart from climbing in people's windows and robbing them. Yeah, so it's really helped, yeah? Because my cousin wasn't trying to sell it to me. No. He just gave me free water. And the result, it was bam. So, and then my other daughter, things were looking good for her too. So she told her dad, Dad, why is that machine? Yeah. So it's because of his daughters. And what about me? Sad movies, you know. Anyway, because of his kids, he decided he's going to put a deposit down. Put the deposit down. And, boom. Look at my shouts all nicely piled up. Bye. Bam. And it came in this tray. Bam. All gone. Just the water. Anyway, so my machine is over there. Hasn't been put on yet. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for my cousin to come over and put it on. So it's gonna do good. You know, guys, it's gonna do good. Not a cheap machine, but if it's gonna help for the health of our family, Bob's your auntie. See? Oh. I don't know, but my eye. No, I think it's the lemon. Oh. It's got that citrus punch to my eye. Aye. See, this is what happens when I only bring half of the snapper. Anyway, that was our first attempt to do it. So, we're going to do it better next time. Next time, I'm going to get some food ready for coloring and paint his fish so he doesn't complain. I said, oh, that tastes so good. Yeah, but I don't like it. It wasn't red enough. Red enough. See, stop it. To me, it tastes good. It tastes smoky. Tastes well done. Not extra well done, but not, you know, like done well. Anyway, this is lovely. Praise the good Lord for this lovely food. Guys, no shout outs today, guys. I'm so sorry about that, because this girl's been so busy. Okay. Oh, you know what? I've been trying to clean up the sunroom, but my sister's gonna come and stay in there, right? And I'll tell you what, the way I used to shop, probably still a little bit still do. I'm one of those impulsive shopper. I don't look at something and think, would I wear that again? Would I wear that again? No, it just looks good and I buy it. And I bring it back and I put it in plastic bags. I put it on the side thinking, oh yeah, I'll wear that one day. A couple of months later, I find the plastic bag. Oh, what's this plastic bag doing there? Open it up. Oh, this is what I bought how many months back. Still got the price tag on it. And then I noticed, I don't even like it. Why did I buy it? And then I don't even wear it. Duh. Anyway, guys, we're umala wea. I got a big chunk of gutto left. But my half-foot snapper, gone. A dozen oyster, gone. Tatia sauce, you guys been a good audience. I know sometimes when I watch Mukbang I get so hungry, right? So I run and make me a sandwich. But I've been quite clever lately, because I make me a sandwich, or I get me some chips and like biscuits, and then I start turning on the YouTubes and I start watching. First of all, I don't want to sound biased, I watch PolyTube videos, right? I watch everyone's. Sorry if I don't always comment, because sometimes when I'm about to comment, my mom will need me, my kids will need me, and then I forget to come back and leave a lovely comment for your effort and all the videos that you guys put up. Thank you so much. And the one that I love following is Peter and Yen. They're overseas. They left their jobs so they can go and explore the world, taste all these lovely food. Peter and Yen, guys, check them out. Lovely couple, and they'll even do you the come out jump, which I love. When they do it, I just think, like, yeah, I do. I get a little excited, and then their video starts off, and you watch their food, and you think, I wish I can have it, taste it, heard some. But anyway, funny you can pass through some through the camera, eh? Guys, you've been lovely. God bless you guys. Don't forget, always give thanks to the good Lord. Because, guys, without our good Lord, we got nothing. We have nothing. We don't even exist. So you guys take care, okay? Love each other, guys.